Hey guys, so I'm going to be teaching you how to speak backslang. So backslang is basically a language where you break up words and make it hard for people to understand you. And you can use it to like disguise what you're saying. So say, I don't know, let's just think of something. Say you have like a really annoying friend, right? Maybe you're being a bit of a dick or whatever and you want to just get away from them, right? So say you just told your friend run, right? They're probably gonna hear you. But if you told them in backslang, like, if you go mother gate, never gets rubber gun, then they ain't gonna know what the hell you're saying, and you can just disappear on them. So basically, yeah, you can just use it for anything like that. Any kind of situation where you just wanna say something without anyone else knowing. Yeah, basically that. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling and get on with it. Hopefully this will help you out. So, we're gonna start off, right? How the hell am I even gonna start this? I'm really bad at explaining things. But let's try. Okay, so basically, say we have, I don't know, let's use a one syllable word, first of all. So I don't know, like, let's use run, because that was literally in the example. So, how to speak backslang, yeah? Say you got a word like run. You'd basically, and let me just do something. I just wrote that there. I'll use that in a second. So basically, you put abag, right, before the first vowel in every syllable. So for example, run in backslang would be river gun. So like, instead of saying run, right, you'd say river gun, and then yeah. So it's the same for every word. You just put avag before the first vowel of every syllable. So say you have, I don't know, like a two syllable word, like hello. Yeah, let's use hello. It'll become have a go. Hold on. Let go. Have a go, love a go. So that'll be that, yeah. So yeah. So yeah, you can see that. Hold up. Basically, yeah, do that. Oh, I forgot to put an L there, hold on. Yeah, have a go, love a go. Anyway, that's basically how you speak backslang. You can do that with like as many syllables as you want. Any word, just do that. Anyway, yeah, hope you actually understood what I was saying, because I'm really shit at explaining stuff. Anyway, yeah, you can use that for a lot of things. I used it. Yeah, I actually use it all the time. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Peace out.